Halloween night. Halloween night.
Hello, welcome to the Green Club Toy Shed, and today I thought I'd just make a glitter jar, and if you have loads of these in your garden for Halloween they look really good. So I'm going to take some PVA glue, quite a bit, or a blob, and then I'm going to spread it all around the jar. It's nice and even, get a nice even level. And in my glitter I've got moons and stars and little dots. So I thought I'd use the stars. I'll take a little handful, sprinkle them all around. And then we'll take some, put that there for a minute, stop it rolling off. And then I'll take some glitter, sprinkle that in. Some triangles. And some moons. And as you can see, you need to build up a few more little bits to make the whole thing so. Put the jar lid on, give it a little shake, and as you can see, the jar's sprinkled all around, apart from a few little spots that you might need to take a little bit more glitter. And then we wait for night time, and then wait for that to dry, and that would be great.